Each NSSA safe room producer must have a quality assurance plan. The safe room design must be performed by a registered engineer according to NSSA ICC 500, FEMA 320, and FEMA 361. An installation checklist is developed by the safe room manufacturer and the design engineer of record. Once these design steps are complete, both the shelter design and the installation checklist must be reviewed and affirmed by an approved third-party engineer. The third-party engineer must submit their qualifications demonstrating their knowledge of the components of safe room design to become approved by the NSSA Board of Directors prior to completing this work. This installation video was prepared to demonstrate the steps used by NSSA producer and installer members to ensure that the safe rooms are properly installed. For the installation of this type of shelter, a specialized truck is used to get the shelter placed in the shelter location. Well, the process is about complete. The shelter has been set, the anchors have been placed, concrete put in around the anchors, and in a little while our Safe Sheds representative will go over the paperwork with the customer. So.
NSSA sticker. It says been certified, meets 320 FEMA. It's got a little serial number there.
The safe room installation is now complete. The installer ensures that the customer is familiar with all features of the safe room and is notified that they will receive an original copy of the installation certificate, installation checklist, and invoice in the mail. This documented process was developed to assure all parties involved that the safe room is properly installed every time.